When it comes to reliable dumpster rentals for your next project, you can trust B&E Site Services to deliver. We're here to provide you with the peace of mind you need for your waste disposal needs. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation, a construction professional managing a job site, or a business owner handling an extensive cleanup, we've got you covered. At B&E Site Services, we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project. From small cleanups to large-scale construction, we have the right dumpster for you. Our customer service team is dedicated to providing personalized service. We will work with you to determine the best solution for your waste management needs. All our dumpsters are well maintained and ready to be delivered to your site quickly and efficiently. And when your project is done or the dumpster is full, just give us a call. Our prompt pickup service ensures your site remains clean and clutter-free. Choose B&E Site Services for reliable, efficient, and professional dumpster rentals. Let us handle your waste management so you can focus on your project. Contact B&E Site Services today at 979-616-6858 or visit our website at www.besiteservices.com to book your dumpster rental. Let us help you keep your project site clean and organized. B&E Site Services, your trusted partner in waste management.